mathematicians. So when you are asked to give a coordinate, it's like an address on the graph. Right? So let's remember that there is the x-axis, the horizontal side-to-side number line here that tells us where we are on the grid. It's like a map, like an address. Okay. And there's the y-axis, our up and down vertical number line, also helping us tell where we are on the grid, like addresses. So let's pretend we're looking on this red line, and I want to know what the coordinate is of this point. Like I said, it's just like an address. So this is a lovely lattice point, by the way. I want to know its address. And first, I am always using parentheses to say to me and everyone else, hey, this is a coordinate. It tells me where to put something on the graph. Okay? And I always say the x coordinate first. So you could think of it like the street. So what street is this on? What street is this on? I am going to look like I'm at this intersection and I want to know what street I'm on. So it is First Street. That point right there is on First Street. So I'm on First Street here. But that is not enough information because this point is also on First Street, and so is this one, and so is this one, and so is this one. So if you're going to visit a friend, trying to find them, or trying to find a business or something, it's not enough to say, hey, it's somewhere on First Street. Sure, you can drive up and down, but it would be much more helpful if the person told you, oh, and it's also on this other street. This intersection gives you an actual address. So we can do better than just First Street because we have that y-axis to look at, the avenues, right? So this point we care about is on 4th Avenue. The y value is 4. The intersection of First Street and 4th Avenue. So I'll give you one more example here. Let's go the other way. Let's say someone told you the point I'm looking for is at -3 and 2. -3, 2. So I'm looking for -3 Street. I'm looking for -3 on the x-axis. So I'm going here and seeing, oh, -3. So this point that this person wants me to find, it's somewhere on -3 Street. But again, we have more information. It's at the intersection of -3 Street and 2nd Street, 2 Street. Right? Because it says 2 right there. That's our coordinate. So using those instructions, those addresses, this coordinate, -3, 2.